Kapod wan mane weche motende koda weche mag thieth. Telo mar kaunti ma Homa Bay ochako ayanga chenro mar geto familia ma yuto gi ni piny e kaunti ma Homa Bay mar neno ni giyudo thieth ma nengo ne ogore piny, chenro ma idendo ni Universal Health Coverage. Gavana ma Homa Bay Cyprian Awiti manoloso karachuonyo South Sub County Hospital ma kono okoni chenro no biro konyo e tieko deko moko ma samoro bedo e kinde ma jatuo dhi manyo thieth. Kwan ji moingo 27,000 oserwaki e chenro no manyasani ka Gavana Awiti oyao kar loso muya mar oxygen rachuonyo South Sub County Hospital ma oger gi piny owacho mar France nengo mar milion 100.
Telemedicine. Let's call it .com healthcare. We can access quality care using technology. And we want to create that in most of our facilities. Telemedicine is working in Homa Bay today. And it's something that there are only 6 in the whole country, and Homa Bay has got it for granted. But the essence of providing quality service is to reduce those kind of issues. Because at the end of the day, those are the ones we are working for. Look at HIV/AIDS. When we came to Homa Bay, it was 27.5. Today is 18. The kind of work we have done with the partners together is no mean achievement. It's a big achievement.